Hey there, this is Lindsay from Fit and Fabulous, and today I am going to show you how to make one of my favorite eggnog protein shakes. They are so good. So it is 'tis the season where eggnog is getting more popular, and we all know that eggnog has like a gazillion calories in there. So I wanted to find an alternative. So I actually created this eggnog protein shake that is literally like, what, 130 calories, maybe 160 calories, and almost 20 grams of protein. I think it has like 18 grams. So I'm gonna show you how simple and easy it is to make. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. So, of course, I like to use my magic bullet, just because it's like single serving, it's just so easy to use. Of course, I got my cup here. So the first thing I like to do is get some unsweetened almond milk. So this is what I use pretty much on like a day-to-day basis. So you want about a cup to about a cup and a half. So you want to fill it to about there. All right. Okay. So the next thing we need is some protein. So I've actually been using this LadyBoss Lean and I love it. As you guys can see, I'm pretty much on my last scoop. It's my very last scoop. So we're gonna make it work, okay? So we need 1 scoop of that. And if you guys haven't tried this, you gotta try it. I'll actually put a link down below so you guys can get like the free shipping and discounted price, because that's what I got. Super sweet deal. Okay, so we got our almond milk, we got our protein in there. Next thing we need is some pumpkin spice. So this is actually like pumpkin pie spice. So this works really well for pumpkin pie protein shakes. Those are so delicious. I should actually make a video about that as well. So pumpkin pie, and I'm pretty sure like this actually makes it taste like eggnog. It's kind of weird, but it works. Okay, so we need a half a teaspoon of this. So a little bit more, half a teaspoon. Perfect. Next thing we need is some nutmeg. So we need 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. So 1/4 teaspoon. Next thing we need is some butter flavoring. You guys can basically get this at any like baking store. So we need 1/4 teaspoon of this. It's literally just like a teeny tiny bit. The next thing we need is rum extract. This literally makes it taste like it's like rum and eggnog. It's so good. Okay, so we need a tablespoon of the rum extract. So, tablespoon. And then I put in 3 squirts of this stevia. So I go 1, 2, 3. And then I put the lid on. Like so. And I'm gonna plug in my magic bullet. Let it go for like, I don't know, 10 seconds. Stir it up a little. Okay. And that is it. So excited. Oh God, it smells so good. Can you guys see it? It's like super frothy. Oh my God, it's so good. It is so good, honestly. I think I could actually drink this whole thing like pretty much in 2 minutes because it's that good. So I'll put the recipe down below for you guys to check out. Again, if you guys want the free shipping and discounted price on the LadyBoss Lean, I'll put that down below. And I'll put the video as well that I made about the gingerbread protein shake that I also made, because that one's also really good. So I hope you guys have an amazing day, have an amazing Christmas, and I can't wait to chat with you later. Love you, bye.